Increasing penis size is actually a very easy task thanks to products that help increase penis size. Actually, one of the best products available today is the ProExtender. However, many people wonder how to use ProExtender. Actually, the instructions for using this product are very simple. Mainly, you should keep in mind that the manufacturers of this product give you an excellent guide that explains in detail the correct operation of this male device for the penis. Believe it or not, it is very easy to use. However, here we will explain the correct way you should use ProExtender, and don't worry, because this product is 100% effective and safe. If you have a literally small penis, and you want to increase the size of your penis, then you should buy ProExtender, because it is the best option. In addition, it is also necessary for you to take into account the most important details of ProExtender. Below we will explain the main features and details that you should know about this male product. What is the right way to use this product? The main question many people ask is, how to use ProExtender? And believe it or not, the answer is quite simple, simply because using ProExtender is very easy. Moreover, it is necessary to point out that this product has been approved and rated as one of the best thanks to several studies carried out. Primarily, ProExtender uses traction like all other male penis enlargement devices. But, how does it help? ProExtender simply causes the creation of new tissue cells in the body, exclusively in the penile area. So, if gentle and constant traction on the penis, the cells will be able to create new tissue, and of course, all this causes the penis to get bigger and bigger. As mentioned above, using this penis enlargement device is quite simple. You just have to place the device correctly on your penis, and this device will help to create tension or traction on your penis. Of course, this device is equipped with a rubber ring. You must place that rubber ring on the head of the penis, and this rubber ring prevents this device from causing discomfort to the penis. Remember, you can adjust the attraction or tension level of the device. It is important that the first time you use this device, do not overdo it. You can increase the level of tension or attraction of the device as the time goes by. Of course, the more tension or attraction the device exerts on your penis, the more benefit you will get from this product. After you correctly install the device on your penis, you must make sure that you do not feel any discomfort in the area of your penis. This is very important. However, ProExtender is an excellent male device that does not cause any discomfort and is very comfortable. One point to keep in consideration is not to overdo it. It's normal to feel some level of discomfort and stress, in particular during the first 2 days of using the ProExtender. However, there should be no real pain or discomfort after removing the device. In fact, if you experience some symptoms such as pain or discomfort, then it is because you are not installing the device correctly in your penis, because this device does not really cause any pain or discomfort after 1 week. If you feel a little uncomfortable using the ProExtender, then we recommend reducing the tension level of the device. Specifically, we recommend that you first adapt to using this male device in your penis. Also, the first day it is necessary for you to take a break. But, don't worry about all this, because ProExtender works very well, and it really offers excellent results. Are the results ProExtender provides permanent? Of course yes, penis enlargement is not temporary, it is permanent. This is an excellent statement for all men who wish to increase the size of their penis. Mainly, because the vast majority of ways to increase penis size do not provide permanent results. Moreover, ProExtender helps you increase your penis size literally in as little as 30 days. Actually, penis enlargement with the help of ProExtender is basically a physical change and an increase in cell mass that occurs over time due to the tension produced by this male device. So, the inches that your penis will increase in size will remain for your entire life, because the results are permanent. Believe it or not, this is a fact, and it really is clinically demonstrated. Several clinical studies have been conducted on this device. The objective of those studies is to determine if ProExtender is a reliable male device, and it is a safe and effective device. So, don't worry, because ProExtender will work in the best possible way. How will ProExtender help me improve my sex life? First, it is necessary to point out that penis size is a very important factor in any sex life. If you want to have good sex with your partner, it is necessary that you have a literally big penis. Also, remember that your partner's sex life is also very important, and if you want to satisfy all of your partner's sexual needs, then you need to increase the length and width of your penis. Really, many men feel the need to have a bigger penis, but very few men know about this amazing product, ProExtender. In fact, ProExtender is a male device that has the ability to help improve your sex life. Mainly if you suffer from erectile dysfunction, this device is ideal to solve some sexual problems and improve your erection during sex. ProExtender can increase the length and girth of your penis, improve erection, provide a permanent increase in penis size, greater satisfaction during sexual intercourse, no pain and no discomfort. In addition, this male device also helps to improve the curvature of your penis and helps to straighten it, and it is totally safe. ProExtender is a totally natural penis enlargement method and causes no side effects. You should also keep in mind the question that many men ask: how to use ProExtender? Because it is very important that you use this device correctly if you want to obtain excellent results. For more information, visit our site The Male Libido, link in the description.